Welcome, here I've got VERNEE Mix 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this preview button. By just one tap here we can change the aspect ratio from 4:3 to 16:9. As you can see, the background has changed to the longer one. And now let's move again to the right corner and tap again to the preview, and we go back to 4:3. So to remind you, this is how it looks like. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and give the thumbs up.